If I tell you there is one company quietly powering nearly every AI breakthrough which is happening today, a company behind Nvidia's mind blowing chips, Apple's cutting edge processors, and AMD's next generation designs, this company is TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, the real engine behind the AI revolution. And today, we are diving deep into why TSMC might be the most critical company of the decade and why investors are waking up to its massive potential. So stick around. I will also break down the valuation, the biggest risks, and whether it deserves a place in your portfolio right now or not. TSMC is not just a chip maker, it is the chip maker for AI. Over 90% of all chips in the world are manufactured by TSMC. Yes, you heard that right. More than 90%. That includes chips from Nvidia, Apple, AMD. Even your iPhone and latest ChatGPT supercomputers are powered by chips manufactured in TSMC factories. The company has almost 67% market share in the entire foundry space. But when it comes to AI chips, they dominate the competition. In quarter 2 2025, TSMC posted a 45% year over year revenue growth, beating all expectations. Its revenue hit almost $30 billion. That's kind of $1 billion every 3 days. AI and high performing computing made up 60% of the business, and they are just getting started. And here is the kicker: management just raised full year guidance to 30% growth. That's a bold move in today's economic climate. All this while dealing with unfavorable currency swings and global uncertainty. So, what makes TSMC so untouchable? The answer is it's their technology moat. Their 3 nanometer node is the most advanced in the world, and their upcoming 2 nanometer chip launching in late 2025 is already getting orders that beat both 3 nanometer and 5 nanometer generations. The most important thing is TSMC chip yield is 60% versus Samsung's 40%. That's massive in this industry. More yield is equal to more chips per wafer, which results into more profits. So in terms of competition, we can say that Samsung is struggling, Intel is trying to catch up, but TSMC is already moving ahead. TSMC is a profit machine. While other companies are fighting the margin wars, TSMC is making money. Its gross profit is up 59% year over year, net profit margin is at 42.7%, and free cash flow surged 21% to $6.4 billion. Even better, operating profit margin is at 49.6%. It means they keep nearly half of every dollar earned after covering expenses. That's insane efficiency, so they are getting a lot of operating leverage. And all of this happening while investing billions in new overseas fabs to reduce geopolitical risk. Let's talk about its valuation. So, how does TSMC stack up as a stock? It trades at a price to earning ratio of 25, while Nvidia is at around 44. In terms of price to sales, TSMC is at 7.9 and Nvidia is at 20.9. That's a big discount for a company with equally powerful AI tailwinds. And guess what? TSMC has $90 billion in cash with just $32 billion in debt. That indicates a very strong balance sheet. However, there are risks to consider as well because there is not everything is smooth sailing. TSMC operates mostly out of Taiwan, a region facing geopolitical tensions with China. A conflict could cause massive disruption. That's why TSMC is building fabs in the USA, Japan, and Germany to diversify and future proof operations. Another concern for TMC is currency headwinds. A 1% rise in Taiwan dollar can hit margin by 40 basic points. It's a hidden, but it's a real risk. So, what is the final verdict? TSMC is not just a chip manufacturer, it's the foundation of AI revolution. It's profitable, it's efficient, and it's critical to every tech giant that you know as of today. Yes, there are risks, but the opportunities are massive. Based on several analysts, TSMC is rated as a buy. It is considered one of the most underrated long term plays for investors who believe in AI, smartphones, and high performance computing. That's all for today's video. This video is made only for informational purposes. If you enjoyed the content, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.